The sun is shining, and the two best teams in football are about to collide.
They got the MVP on one team, Kansas City, and the MVP runner-up.
A landmark event for these two young black quarterbacks to lead their respective teams.
All you gotta do is be us, baby. Us is good enough. Let's go do it, baby.
We step out between them lines, I only want you to think about one thing. Everything you went through to get here. Everything we did to get here. We do what we do because that's what the Eagles do.
Yeah! Hey, embrace this moment. Everything we work for is for this moment. It's gonna take everybody. Let's go out there and find a way to drag our ass across the finish line. Let's go show the world who we are.
Dream on, baby. Western Pennsylvania to here.
Nick Sirianni, the young coach of the Philadelphia Eagles, against Andy Reid, who spent 14 years in Philadelphia.
The Kelsey brothers, Jason and Travis, the first set of brothers to play against each other in Super Bowl history.
How about this, huh, big guy? Love you. Love you, big guy. Do your thing, man. Hey, you see her up there?
I don't know. Donna's the star of the show, though.
I know.
Donna's the star of the show.
I keep telling her, she gotta learn how to say no. Love you, big guy. See you after this thing.
This is what it feel like. This is what it feel like right here, dog. Last game of the season. It feel like we in the off season, man.
All season. This is what you work for in this moment. Go crazy.
Feel like we've been here before, huh? Don't it? Destined for this, bro. Destined for this.
Super Bowl 57 has finally arrived. Here we go.
It's crazy, dog. We kick the ball. It's all good. It's coming.
Roy, you got the NFL there? Let's go. Let's start.
The 57th Super Bowl is underway.
Oh, yeah.
All about us. Let's go, Roy.
And you thought it would never occur.
Woo. All right, let me sit down now. We good. Come on, one. Come on, one.
The game's biggest stage can be daunting. You wouldn't know it watching Philadelphia's third-year quarterback.
Nothing nervous about Jalen Hurts.
Them boys hitting today, huh?
Jalen Hurts was the picture of poise on the opening drive.
He's going to run. He is across the 45. He has another first down.
He's made for this.
Hurts now fires over the middle and completes it. And breaking away is Devontae Smith. To the 15 and down to the 10. What a great drive.
Come on, baby.
Playmakers making plays.
Come on, baby.
First and goal from the 1. You can almost assume this will be a quarterback
Well, then
sneak.
the quarterback squats 600 pounds.
Don't touch that.
And he's in for the touchdown.
Great start.
An impressive Philadelphia drive.
Let's go, let's go. Energy, baby, energy. Start, baby. Good job.
Let's go be us. Let's go be us. All day. Us.
Andy Reid's offense had an answer.
So hard at it. What's hot?
It started with the league's MVP, Patrick Mahomes, and one of the most prolific connections in postseason history.
Mahomes will throw it. Fires it over the middle. He's got Kelsey up near midfield. Patrick Mahomes to Kelsey 99 times in the postseason. They're going to give it on the left side. It goes to Pacheco. Breaks a tackle, 35.
The NFL's top-ranked offense looked every bit the part.
25-yard run by Pacheco.
A nice balanced attack.
2nd and 8, Kansas City. Mahomes floats a pass. Kelsey over the shoulder. He's got the catch. He's got the touchdown.
That's all day, dog. That's all day. That's all day.
The 14th time that Patrick Mahomes has found Travis Kelsey for a postseason touchdown, second in National Football League history. Both teams scoring on their first possessions of Super Bowl 57.
All right, little brother. More.
We just keep rolling. We do what we do. Yes, sir.
Kansas City did keep rolling. And Travis Kelce helped put the Chiefs in position to grab the lead late in the first quarter.
He missed it. You know we're going to need that golden leg. Don't you let that phase you.
Thank everyone to Arizona in Super Bowl 57. The Eagles are one of the best second quarter teams in football. They're in Chiefs territory. First play of the second quarter, the snap goes to Hurts. Has time, winds up, long pass, far side.
Caught for a touchdown, A.J. Brown.
He throws the ball into an area where A.J. Brown makes that proper adjustment to the football for a touchdown.
Birds lead 14-7.
We good. Son. Hey, hit that.
Hurts looks, he starts to run, he fumbles the football.
It's bobbling and loose. It's picked up by Bolton, the 30, foot race 20, 10, 5, touchdown!
No!
Nick Bolton has come up with the biggest defensive play of the game so far.
We need this!
Well, so Nick lined up in the line of scrimmage like he was blitzing, so Jalen thought he could just run for it. Well, they did a game, and Nick just went around and stayed there, like to spy him, and he ran right into him and tried to make a move, and he flew out.
And just like that, the game is tied.
All right, let's have some fun now. Let's get it back.
4th and 5.
Go for it. We're going.
Hurts back, he's going to run the quarterback draw, and he is going to get it. Great goal.
We got some balls.
Hey, they're tired. No, we're about to break.
Go for it again.
Great. I know you were there.
Derek Notty's called for the penalty, automatic first down.
I'm like, ooh, that had me jumping too. Dig deep now. Dig deep.
1st and goal at the 4th. Hurts is going to run and score.
Kelce just opens the Red Sea.
Boy. Oh, that was a long drive. I know. It's okay. We gonna make it shorter for you. So get ready.
Last possession wins, dude.
Yeah, you got a shootout on your hands.
Very important possession.
Yes, sir. Let's go score. One play at a time. Let's go score.
It's a very important game. Every possession is important. Let's go.
Set.
Mahomes is hurt. A re-injured ankle here for Patrick Mahomes.
Keep your eye on Mahomes.
Oh, bro, limping?
He's in agony on the sideline right now.
And he is hurt on that ankle.
Back goes Hurts, he pumps, he looks. He's got A.J. Brown at the 35. Cuts back at the 30. Runs to the sideline and out of bounds at the 19.
I'll be fine.
Is it coming back?
Feeling a little bit better now.
As time runs out, so far so good. Birds 24, Chiefs 14.
Hey, we've had 18 plays.
I know.
18 plays.
That's it.
We're good. Yep. That's right. We get the ball, come on out and do our thing.
Yeah, don't be excited yet. A lot of ball left, you know what I mean? And they're a really good team.
In the third quarter, the focus shifted from Rihanna
I'm good. Let's go.
Be interested to see what his second half adjustment is. I know.
to Patrick Mahomes and his ankle.
Big rush on Mahomes. Steps up on the pocket, throws it late, and a catch made by Kelce at his shoe tops. A gain of 11 yards and one of the best catches Kelce's made this season. Mahomes was nearly sacked on the bad ankle. He threw it late, and this thing was at the shoelaces of Kelce. He makes the catch for 11 and a first down.
Mahomes proved his ankle could take a licking, but he'd keep on ticking.
Now he slips, stays alive, keeps the ball in the right hand. He'll run it. He's at the 15, got a first down, slips inside a defender, gets all the way to the Eagle 5. How's the ankle? He will get up and he will not limp. He will gain 12 yards on a scramble on a bad ankle.
Running so careful.
We're good. The blue right.
They hand it off, left guard, it goes, touchdown, Kansas City! Isaiah Pacheco blasting in behind the block of Joe Tooney.
You talk about halftime adjustments and coming out, reestablishing yourself in the second half. That's exactly how you get the job done.
Let's go! Let's go! We got y'all. Let's go. Come on, Jalen. Make up for it. Make up for it for us.
Here is 3rd down and 8. Dallas Goedert went up between 2 defenders and won the battle.
I don't know if he got 2 feet in bounds with possession, and the Chiefs will challenge it.
Hey, Dallas, did you catch it? You don't know?
He was out.
This is enormous. And an incompletion would make it 4th and 13.
He got it.
Yes.
After review, the receiver established control of the ball with his back foot down. He then took the second step. The ruling on the field stands.
We got to score here, guys. We took a lot of time off this clock.
Hold them to a field goal attempt, baby.
The Chiefs' defense bottled up Miles Sanders and all rushers not named Jalen Hurts. The Eagles would get points, just not the ones they wanted.
Breathe. Take some deep breaths, coach. We're going to make this happen. I know it's emotional. Relax. We got 15 minutes of glory left.
Super Bowl Sunday means nachos, pizza, and wings. In Kansas City, you can expect something new on the menu.
35 white corn dog.
They're going to throw a quick pass to Tony. He's got it on the edge. He will walk into the end zone. Touchdown, Kansas City.
Way to be great, dog.
He fakes the jet sweep, goes back out, totally wide open.
This second half has been an offensive clinic for the Kansas City Chiefs.
Great call. Great call.
That's why you keep your head up there over there, right? You never know. You never know those people. I'm always like this, coach.
And the Chiefs have their first lead of the game. 12:04 to go in Super Bowl 57.
This is the best position I ever wanted to be in right here. Ever. 28 to 27? Let's go. Man, let's go.
And a 3 and out for the Eagles, their first of the game. Sipas will punt.
Short!
End over end, shorter punt. And Tony will take it low at the 35. Now cuts back to the right. He's got a wall set. If he can get to the edge, they can need to block the punter. They do. Tony's at the 40, up the sideline. At the 30, he's at the 20. Tony with the block trying to stay in place down to the 5-yard line. Kadarius Toney, a 65-yard punt return, the longest in Super Bowl history.
Hey, punch it in. Punch it in. Punch it in. Y'all know we turned up.
Sit down, Frank. Sit down. We might have to go back out. Sit down. Sit down. Everybody sit down. Have a seat. Catch your breath. We have to put up 7. We have to put up 7.
It's cover 0.
Left side wide open. Sky Moore, touchdown.
The rookie showing up again. Isaiah Pacheco scoring a touchdown. Now Sky Moore.
Let me keep that ball. Keep that ball. Scott, give me that ball. Take that ball. I got it. Let's go. Let's go, dog. I got you, baby.
Hey, and we're in the wrong formation.
I know we were. I know. That's why I went the motion to run. Your first one in the Super Bowl.
Sky Moore season. He's got one now.
That's his.
7:44 to play in regulation. Eagles down by 8.
We'll go down and score and go for 2. Here we go. Right down. We're good. We'll go for 2 after this. All right?
After leading by 10 at halftime, the Eagles were losing their grip on the Super Bowl. They allowed 3 touchdowns on 3 Chiefs drives to start the second half. Time to toughen up.
Linda!
Hurts has them on the move.
Shotgun snap, the fake handoff. He's back, he winds up. Long pass near sight. Wide open Smith. 5 and out of bounds at the 2. 46 yards.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yo. Go, go, go. Yo, that.
They line up. They push. They sneak. They're in for the touchdown. They have to go for 2. They're down 35-33.
Come on, let's get this 2. Let's get this 2. Please get this 2-point.
Hurts is going to run, and he is in pepper time.
Hey, all the marbles on the line for each other, baby. For each other.
Listen, I promise you, we get a stop, we're the world champs. We'll go down and score. I promise you. All this come down to this. Right here, boy.
One good leg, that's all the eventual Super Bowl MVP needed.
Here comes pressure to the outside. As Mahomes steps up, he's going to scramble. He's at the 40, bad ankle, 30, bad ankle, 20. Down to the Eagle 18-yard line. What bad ankle? Don't underestimate how tough Patrick Mahomes is.
Oh, we ain't getting on the field no more. It's over with.
The fourth quarter clock at 1:54. Mahomes will get the shotgun snap. Picks it up. Throws an arching pass in the end zone. No one home. Back corner. Incomplete. Flag throw.
Holding! 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 Holding!
Prior to the pass, holding, number 24,
No way.
defense, 5-yard penalty, automatic, first down.
It's game. They're going to call that? It's game.
It was a good call. It's a double move on the outside, and Bradbury just grabbed onto him.
Hey, how much time they gonna have? We not gonna have none?
Now we've got a first down. Philadelphia only has 1 timeout remaining. Kansas City's in control of the clock for sure now.
Church mode, church mode, church mode.
So don't score. I like this. I like this game plan.
Shut.
McKinnon on a counter. Left side at the 10.
Go down!
Angling to the 5, and he's going to slide down at the 1. Very smart inbounds.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, we gonna blast him.
Let him score. We gonna blast him.
And the Chiefs call timeout at 11 seconds to go in Super Bowl 57.
I ain't never seen nothing like you, bro. He's smart, and that run was special 2 games in a row.
Harrison Butker will trot out onto the field.
Come on, Harry. Come on, Harry. Drill this, dog.
A 35-35 tie.
Winchester the snap. The hold by Townsend. The kick is away and good! It's over! The Chiefs have won the Super Bowl 57!
Let's go! Let's go!
dog. Hell of a game, man. Hell of a game. Yes, sir.
Real champs.
Congratulations. Go celebrate. Go celebrate. Go celebrate.
I love it. Thank you, man.
No, you're good.
For this year of my life, I love the big guy.
Yeah, I love it too. Go celebrate.
Your heart is bigger than this stadium. That's what I love about you. Enjoy it.
Love you. Hey, I ain't never seen nothing like you. You doing.
Hey, love you too, man. Oh, yeah. Hey, great job. Great job, baby. Oh, you too. I had to come give you some love, man. You deserve that, coach.
I love you.
Go celebrate with Trav.
I love you.
When we return, some final images from Super Bowl 57.